Thank you very much, Senator. Appreciate that.
Ni Minista wa URIMI MUTAHI Kagwe uria uri mwena wa South Carolina bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika agikinyia kĩgoma-inĩ kĩa agũri a macani kuma rũgongo rwa gĩtarũ kĩa Amerika. Kĩgoma-inĩ gĩkĩ Kagwe aroya mweke ũyũ kuha agũri a macani makuma gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ gwĩtĩkĩra gwĩkagĩra macani mao mbagiti-o gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, ũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩteithĩrĩria kuongerera umithio wa arĩmi ũndũ ũmwe na kũnyihia hathara ya agũri aya.
Kenya is the third largest producer of tea globally. And it is unfortunate that in our dealings with the American continent, we haven't really done what we should have.
Kenya's tea is known globally for its unmatched quality. It grows along the equator under natural rainfall with minimal irrigation needs.
Kuringana na Kagwe, ũndũ ũyũ no hoteke kuona thirikari nĩrĩkĩtie gũthengia magoti harĩ mbagiti cia indo ta macani, ũndũ ũrĩa hau kabere ũrarĩ mũhĩnga mũnene.
We have removed taxes on packaging materials for agricultural products, allowing us to package teas at source according to market specifications. This means that we can now deliver direct to shelf teas with guaranteed freshness, traceability, higher value addition for farmers as well as the business community.
Yesterday we had a very interesting discussion, successful discussion with the people who work and head Walmart in terms of placing our tea in their shelves.
Ningĩ Kagwe no aragathĩrĩirie kĩo kĩa mũrĩmi wa macani gũkũ Kenya, akiuga Kenya ĩrĩ mũhari-inĩ wa mbere kuongerera magetha ma macani. Mwaka mũhĩtũku macani marĩa mendirio makĩongerereka na gĩcunjĩ kĩa 4.5 harĩ igana.
In 2024, our production capacity reached about 600 million kilograms, representing about a 5% increase from the previous year. This growth was driven by favorable weather conditions, particularly the long rains, supported by government programs such as subsidized fertilizers for the farmers. Kenya today is recognized as the largest exporter of black tea globally, supplying to over 80 countries worldwide.
Bũrũri wa Kenya no wĩtĩire gũkorwo mũhari-inĩ wa mbere harĩ gũkũria mĩthemba ĩtiganĩte ya macani, kwa mũhiano macani ma orthodox ũndũ ũmwe na macani ma purple tea.
Kenya is the only country in the world that manufactures purple tea. This unique variety was developed over 25 years at the Tea Research Institute and is celebrated for its high antioxidant content and medical properties.
Adini ya Kameme TV, leto lako ni Bataru wa Mwagi.
She'll talk about purchasing behavior.